It's an old, what's this? Girl group song. We're gonna bring it back to the 90s when I was still on my elementary days. And I would like to dedicate this song to my friends, but they're not here. They're watching FB Live right now, and they all over the world. One in the two in the Philippines, which is I'm gonna name them. I have Haisi, Tame. Oh, I have three. And Miho. I hope you're watching. And then I have one from Canada, Pam. Oh, one in Seattle. There you go. Leica and one in Kuwait, right? See, my friends are international. Okay, girls, this song is for you. It's gonna bring back some memories, I know. Oh well, if the audience know, I need some participation with this song. I just told you this is a girl group song, so I need some audience participation. Sing with me if you know it. And there's one from